So you set up this manufacturing company where in Madhu?
Yes.
Mandya district, which is how many miles away from Bangalore?
It's around 65 kilometers from Bangalore.
Okay, okay. And so setting up such a world-class manufacturing unit, you had to procure, I'm sure, equipment from all over the world as well as in India. So what are the types of, can you give us some details as to the types of machinery that you got and the types of equipment that you've been using so that you can ensure that you have the quality to match international standards?
The bag manufacturing industry is not so technologically high-end like the apparel manufacturing industry. So as a result, here we use all the machineries which are basic. I mean to say the sewing machines, which are a bit, which can stitch tougher or harder material than the apparel. Usually in apparel, we use lightweight machines. Here we use higher stitching machines. Other than that, we have a few computerized machines where we feed them the stitch, so they do it on their own. These were the few things, but most of the machines, as you know, are being manufactured in China. We have to import all the machines from China. We don't have a sewing machine manufacturing industry in India, unfortunately. And we have a brand called Usha. Even that imports, I believe. So all the other machines were what we use in the industrial industries like Brother or Typical or Joki. All these machineries have to be imported from China. And there are also vendors who import and give us. So in this, there are various types of machineries which we use in alignment. There are single needle, there are high foot machines, there are Bartek machines. That's how it is.
And what were the challenges you had to raise capitals to procure this machinery?
Yeah. That is the biggest challenge what an entrepreneur is facing in India today. See, there are so many schemes what the central government always tells we are there to support the entrepreneurs. But when you go with a file or a project to any bank, the first thing they ask you is a surety, or what is the surety or a collateral, what you can do. If I am so rich to have a collateral, why would I go to the bank? So this is the first biggest question. So raising capital is always a bigger challenge. So we had to put some money from, I had to borrow some money from my father, my savings, both put together. I purchased the plot, and then that was given as a collateral to set up the factory and to buy the machines. So the bank has helped me. The syndicate bank then and the Canara Bank now supported me to set up a factory. They have supported me. That's what the bank.
So your father was also in a similar business, or was it?
I told you he was into consultancy business. So he helped me a bit. He trusted me and he helped me to buy a plot. And that was used as a collateral to get the loans.